Hi, today we're gonna cook chicken wing with curry. And chicken wing like that, about one potato, about a pound, and a jumbo onion, and a green onion, and a carrot. First, cut the the vegetable. Cut it cut it like that. Okay. And also the onion. And then cut it to a little cube like that. A little green onion here. And there's a potato here. So we're gonna cut it. Okay, put it on the side here. Alright, then now we're gonna cut the chicken wing. We only use about 10 pieces. They're about a little bit over 2 pounds. We got the tip off here. And you cut the middle here a little bit open so easier to cook. Okay, so we're gonna cook the chicken wing, kind of browning them first. Then we're gonna cover them and cook it for a few minutes. Alright, and now we're gonna put some oil in it. You don't need that much oil because the chicken wing have a lot of fat in it. Alright, then we're gonna start putting them in. Okay, so look like they are browning up pretty good. So before we do that, we gotta put some seasoning on it. Put some pepper on it. And little salt, just real little. And now we're gonna turn it over, see? They're browning up pretty good, see? You can see them browning up pretty good. We put the piece in the middle. See, they're browning up. See, they're pretty good. They're real brown. See? Okay, you see that browning up. You can see it brown. So we're gonna start putting the vegetable in. See, we're gonna put some gingers in. You know, fry it up first. Maybe. Another thing is we're gonna put the potato. everything in except the onion. One tablespoon of soy sauce in it. Half tablespoon of cumin in it. Three tablespoons of curry powder. So you mix them all together. And two cherry cooking wine. 2 of them, 2 tablespoons. You're gonna put a cup of water in it. One more cup, that means altogether 2 cups. Okay, then we cover it up ready. Cook it for like around 10 minutes. Okay, this is around 10 minutes. So look like I think we have to cook it for another 10 minutes then. Then we leave this open so they can dry out. The water, the sauce dry out a little bit. Okay, so another 10 minutes. This is around total up about another 10 minutes right now, so I think it's about right. So we're gonna put the 2 tablespoons of sugar, and I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce in it, and that's about it. Here you can see the milk. You don't have to. You can see them all cooked down pretty good. You see. So now all you have to do is just mix them up, mix them all mix together, make it kind of even. Okay. And we split them up. Okay, this is a curry chicken wing.